my respected teacher, my seniors, juniors, and all the present here. First of all, I'd like to tell a very happy new year. And it's me, Gargi. And one more thing I'd like to tell. First of all, I'd like to thank to my teacher, respected Mr. Riazul Mollik sir, for giving me this opportunity to say something in front of you all. And one more thing I'd like to tell, as we all know that it is the 10th birth anniversary of Ambition, and we all have gathered here to celebrate that celebration. And as it is a spoken English institution, so I'd like to tell some words about this language, English. We all know that English is really very important in this massive world. Knowing English, speaking in English fluently is really very important. Whether it is for job purpose, education purpose, treatment purpose, traveling purpose, everywhere, English plays a very important role. And if you go anywhere for job purpose, if you would like to attend an interview, your interview will be conducted in English. So there, if you know English, if you can speak in English, it will be really very easy for you. And one more thing I'd like to share with you all, my experience, my journey before coming at Ambition and after coming at Ambition. Before coming at Ambition, I was totally unable to speak in English. And at that time, I didn't know how to speak in English, how to interact with unknown person, and so many things. And also, I didn't know how to deliver speech in English. And now, I can speak in English without any fear. And my respected teacher, Mr. Riazul Mollik sir, helped me a lot. His every single compliment was like a medicine. The way he motivated me, the way he guided me, and the way he told me so many things that motivated me a lot. And now I can do so many things. I can speak English without any fear, and wherever I go, I can do so many things, and I can speak in English fluently. And at the end, I would like to tell, ambition is our emotion. And my respected sir, Mr. Riazul Mollik sir, he is the best teacher I have ever seen. And one more thing I would like to tell, trust me, if you can speak in English fluently, you can fly high in the sky, just like me. Thank you so much.